The Maytag Dishwasher F8E2 indicates a problem with the dispenser system, often caused by a clogged detergent drawer or a clogged dishwasher filter. To resolve this issue, start by cleaning the detergent drawer. Unlock it by pressing the dispenser release lever. Then remove it and its inserts. Wash the drawer under running water, using a mild soap and a soft cloth to remove any remaining residue. Once clean, replace the inserts and return the drawer to its housing. Another solution is to clean the dishwasher filter. Begin by switching off the dishwasher and removing the lower dish rack. Locate the filter. Remove the outer filter, and then remove the inner filter. Rinse the filter under warm running water. Soak it in warm water and mild soap, and gently scrub it with a soft brush. After cleaning, reinstall the dishwasher filter. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the F8E2 error code and get your Maytag dishwasher working properly again.